ora, my cousins. What a beautiful day it is out here on the farm. Tēnā koe tamanui te rā. I was just thinking about this amazing mission I went on. Do you just want to hear the story? Ka pai. Okay, this is a story about Waka. It all started when I met my mate Billy.
Kia ora, bro.
Kia ora, cuz.
Mean ride?
Yeah, this is my Waka.
Call that a waka?
Yeah, ko Honda te Waka.
Sure. What's your name, bro?
Oh, ko Buzz the Cuz tōku ingoa.
That's Buzzy.
Yeah, I suppose it is. Ko wai tō ingoa.
Billy, bro.
Oh, kia ora, Billy. Hey, where's your Waka?
I got a real waka.
Hey.
Wanna see it?
Yeah. Kia ora, cuz.
Kia ora, bro. I'll drive.
Oh, yeah.
Well, my bro, welcome to the Kupe Waka Centre.
Ooh, maru wehi ana. This place is amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, bro. Well, that's us. Go check out our waka.
Yeah, hoa ke tātou. Whoa, check it out, cousins. Wow. Billy, do you build these?
Yeah, bro.
Tell me everything. What's its name?
The name of this waka is Te Ika Maui, the fish of Maui.
People actually call me Maui sometimes. Just, you know, brave, courageous, cheeky. Yeah. Hey, so what is this waka made out of?
This waka is made out of a single kauri log from Te Wānui-a-Tāne.
Oh, where? How long is this waka?
13 metres long, and it weighs about 1.2 tonne.
Ah, this waka is huge, cuzzies. What do the mahi whakairo on the side represent?
They tell the story of the fish of Maui.
And Maui fished up the stingray, eh?
The North Island, bro. Tika.
Far out, he's strong as. I reckon I could be strong like him one day. Maui! Oh. How long do you think it takes you to build one of these waka?
About 4 to 5 months to build a waka like this.
Whoa. So, hey, where's the motor?
You're looking at him, bro.
Oh, guns. Oh, I reckon I could be a motor as well too. I'd probably be like maybe a 3 or 4 horsepower motor.
Oh, we're gonna find out today, bro.
We're gonna find out today. Hey, do you reckon that I'll be able to have a go at trying to do the lashings?
Yeah, I can teach you how to lash.
Come on, cuzzies. Tēnā koe te ika Maui. All right, let's go. Oh, awesome. So is this the lashing station, Billy?
Yeah, bro. So right now I'm gonna teach you how we lash the rauawa to the waka. So the first thing I'm gonna do is pass this rope to you through the top hole, and you're gonna pull all the rope through.
Okay, cool. Pulling rope through.
Right, now when you pull that tight, I'm gonna plug my hole.
Yep, pulling tight.
Now you're gonna pass your end through the bottom hole, back to me. I want you to grab this peg, and you're gonna plug it into the bottom hole.
Pulling. Hey, how long do you reckon it'll take for me to become a good lasher?
About 3 or 4 canoes, bro. You have to do about 1,000 holes.
Yeah. Oh, lashing with my bro on a waka no re.
How do you like lashing, Buzz?
I think I like lashing. It's pretty meditative. Meditative. I think it's pretty cool, actually. I want to be able to learn how to build waka as good as you can.
Do you want to paddle one?
I'd love to.
I've got the perfect waka, bro.
No way.
Yeah, my bro.
Oh, this is amazing. Hey, so what's the name of this waka?
So the name of this waka is Tukariri, bro.
Miharo. And is there a pūrako behind this waka?
There is. So this waka is actually a replica of an old canoe that an old kuia used to paddle from Kenana to Manganui to do her shopping and back. So this waka is an old design.
Ka rawe. Hey, so am I ready to row a waka?
We don't row waka, bro. We paddle them.
Oh, sorry, cuz. Am I ready to paddle a waka?
Just about, bro.
Oh,
Life jacket. Safety first.
safety first. Ka pai, put my life jacket on. Boom. Ka rawe. This is amazing. I've always wanted to paddle a waka like our tupuna did. I love my life. And that's the buzz, my cuz.